today's video. Sorry for the weird situation. I just got done getting my hair done. I have a white Honda on my ass. Slow it down. I cannot stand anything more. Like, stop. Anyways, I just got my hair done. I'm looking crazy. I put on that Dr. Jart, the tiger grass stuff this morning, so it like helped smooth out my skin tone, but I just look crazy, I feel. She took off probably like 2.5 inches. My hair was just totally dead, and I want to keep it really healthy and growing, so I just told her to just cut it off. It's fine. She did a bunch of baby lights all throughout. I got a full foil, so she did my whole entire head. Usually what I do when I get my hair done, I go every 8 to 10 weeks, and I'll do a half head of foils, and then the next time I'll do a full head of foils, oh my god, and then I'll do a half head. You know, I go back and forth. She's been doing a lot of baby lights on me lately, more towards the back. She does them a little bit thicker, but the top she does all baby lights. So I'll show you when I have like a better setup, because I look crazy. Goodbye Honda, you psycho. So I literally got there at 9. It's 1:05 and I'm like 5 minutes away from my house. I'm absolutely starving. I haven't had one thing to eat. I got an iced coffee from Dunkin' Donuts. I got an iced latte today. I have to say, really not bad. I got a medium iced latte with almond milk and 1 pump of caramel swirl. Not bad at all. All right, welcome to the Hot Ass Mess Express. So here is my hair. She did a bunch of baby lights like all throughout my entire head. She did take off quite a bit, like probably a little over 2 inches, because my hair in the front is actually growing so well, but the hair in the back just like needed to go. So she just did a little chop just to keep it nice and fresh. I do like, it's still like looking at it, like look how much hair I have, like we still can't get over it, but she did do a little choppy. Please have clothes on. So when I got home, look what came. And I opened it. People started to open it. I thought it was my. So this is the final reveal. I literally, like when they went live, because her other, oh my god, I'm so excited. Her other sunglasses sold out so fast. So these new styles, I was just like dying for. I die for DEZI Perkins. I think she is absolutely just incredible. I think she's a doll. I think she's probably top 5 like most beautiful, like just naturally beautiful people in the whole world. And I just love to support her. I just love her. Like I can't say enough about her. And if you know me, like there's so many influencers and like beauty influencers that have gotten so big, and like I can't stand them. Like I'm not gonna call anybody out, but like I have unfollowed so many people because I can't stand them. But like DEZI is just so genuine, and like you can tell, like you can just, there's no like faking it. Like, so let's open these beauties up. I'm so nervous, but I'm so excited. I forget the style is the Backtrack, and I got it in Amber Honey. I can link them, but I don't know if they'll still be available. Oh my god. You ready?
No. I'm not taking that one out. Where are you gonna
What? You don't.
Where are you going like that?
Love you. I just want to open my DEZI sunglasses. Okay, so do we love? I have a crying baby at my feet, but I'm just like loving. Like, okay, all right. And then it comes with like a little. All right, I gotta pick her up. Okay, 10 out of 10. Obsessed. They did take like a minute to get here, but everything's taking a minute. I still have so many packages that haven't come here yet. I mean, everything that I need, but like I ordered stuff from Zara, like on like Black Friday, and I still haven't gotten it, so. Hi, my pretty princess. Going to get Bubby at school. Not Bubby, Benny. I have Bubby here.
I don't have school tomorrow too.
The kids wanted waffles for dinner, so I'm heating myself up this, and we're gonna see. It smells like super weird. Why does it look like that?
I don't know.
Oh, gee, willikers.
What was that, Lord? Oh my God. Mom, again.
It's actually not that bad.
What? That chocolate powder all over me.
Okay. It literally took like 2 minutes to make. I'm also heating up Brussels sprouts in the oven. Then you need to wash your hands and you need to get a wet wipe.
I did. No, you didn't.
Wash your hands, please.
Why do I need?
Wash your hands right now with soap and water.
A collection with different themes so we can truly step into our power and say yes to what's coming up next. That's your leg speed, that's how quickly or slowly those legs are moving. Resistance, that creates your road.
Have our cookie mix from Amber, so we're gonna start. So as I'm pouring it, keep mixing. Great job, guys.
Hey.
It's okay. It's okay. Just as long as it's all mixing up, we're good.
I have a spoon and you have a fork.
No, mix all that in there. Mix all that dry.
Ingredients.
I got more to come.
Ew.
Keep going. Keep going. Oops. It's gonna get thick, so it's gonna be harder to